Hey, it's Mike. It's about 11:20 on a Wednesday night, May the 15th. If this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up. And if you don't mind, share the video. And today we got another package that came in. Let's see, there's a date on here. Yeah, so May 10th. So anyway, right there, my name, address. So let's open it up. And this one, now we've got 3 programs going. We've got Integrity Wealth System, we have the high ticket program, and we have the unlimited $150 stamp program. So I don't know who this is, so I'm kind of excited. So I don't know what to expect on the inside. So let's go. Pretty cool feeling to have. Ooh, really? He's signing up at the $24.97 level. Mr. Reverend. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. Good Lord, God is good. All right, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Amen. Thank you, Mr. Cotton. Thank you, sir. Mr. Reverend Cotton. Wow. I'll organize this later. So that's this $6.97 this week and $25 this week, and the others, let's see, just this week, this past few days. Wow, just $3,197 past couple of days. Okay guys, if you want more information on our program, on our systems, how to get financing, please email me. Okay, if you want to work one-on-one with me, and when you join these programs, you're actually getting my coaching as well. Okay, you know, I would love for you to be able to get packages in mail and just, wow, I'd love for you just to be able to get packages in mail, make videos to make things change and happen so you can prosper, be happy in life. I'm telling you, getting extra cash like this in mail, it makes, it makes life a whole lot easier financially. So if you want to somehow change your financial situation, I encourage you to reach out to me and let's make something happen this year. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. You can't make a change until you do something different. And again, I'm going to bring this up all the time. You got to stop You got to stop wishing. You got to start doing stuff. You got to take action on something, okay? If you don't do anything, if you just sit on the sidelines and wish and hope and wish, I mean, what are you expecting is going to happen? Nothing. Nothing's ever going to happen. So jump off that ledge, jump into the water, and then you'll realize you can swim. So don't be afraid of it. Well, I just want to do a quick proof. I didn't know which company it was out of the 3 opportunities I've got. This is unexpected money. I'm glad it happened. But, you know, there is a chance that I spoke to this person, but I speak to so many people every day. And I'll show you how to keep your lead flow coming in so much, so often. And tomorrow I'll do a video on explaining how lead flow is, okay? I'll do a video on that. And I'll explain that so you'll understand if it helps out, okay? I'm not sure how I'm going to do the analogy, but I saw a video where a guy was doing an analogy with a water hose and a pitcher of water. I just don't have a place to do that outside right now. Don't have a water hose, but if I could come up with something on the screen, I'll think of something. If not, I'll come up with something the next couple of days. I'll make a video on how I personally keep my lead flow overfilling, okay? And then that little bit that trickles out at the bottom, those are prospects. And then those prospects fall through another filter, and the 1 and 2 and 3 of those that fall out a week are the people that join the opportunities and duplicate what we're doing, if they actually duplicate it. So we give them the tools, we teach them how to do it. I can't make people. I can lead the horse to the trough, but I can't make the horse drink. So, but anyway, good night, y'all. See you tomorrow or this weekend. Again, if this is your first time visiting our website, please subscribe, ring that bell notification, or ring that notification bell, sorry. And also give us a thumbs up and share our video. Let people know that we're trying to help people change their lives. I never beg people to do anything they don't want to. All I have to do is introduce people to myself and what we're doing, and the people that contact us, you know, from our postcard marketing or YouTube marketing or our paid magazine advertising. Those people reach out to me, so I'm never having to sell anything. They're already sold. That's why they're calling me. So that's what I'm trying to train you guys to do the same thing. It's called like a reverse marketing tactic, or not really reverse marketing. It's more attraction marketing, okay? No, it doesn't have anything to do with the way you look and stuff like that, but attraction marketing is, I'll come up with a course on attraction marketing, and I'll put it in the marketplace for you guys, and so you can get a true understanding of what attraction marketing is and how it works. So from there on, good night. And again, if this is your first time, please subscribe, ring that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, we're still in the run for the 1,000 subscriber challenge. And once we hit that 1,001 subscribers, I got a watch, like an Android phone watch, text, whatever they call it. We're giving one of those away to one lucky winner, and then we'll have another one to give away shortly after. So 2 lucky winners are going to get an Android watch here in the near future. If we could get 100 subscribers before the end of May, we can make this happen this month. So one extra way you can help me get more subscribers is simply share this on Facebook. We really need to get some likes on Facebook for some of our videos. So if you could be more than happy just to share our video, click that share button up under the video, and share it to other people. I'd highly appreciate it, and I promise you it'll benefit you in a certain way. So see you next video. Have a great evening. Bye bye.